This is the portfolio rubric guidance for standard KFL WC4. The student should know and apply grade level phonics and word analysis skills when encoding words and write legibly. These assessments focus on writing a letter or letters for most consonant and short vowel sounds. For levels 0 through 5, the teacher is assessing the student's ability to print letters when they hear the sound. For this assessment, the teacher will say a letter sound and the student will write the letter legibly without reversals. The teacher will assess all consonant and short vowel sounds. The suggested task gives you an example of how to ask the student to write the letter. The teacher says, and the student will write the letter either a capital or uppercase M or a lowercase m. The student may choose which letter they write, an uppercase or a lowercase letter. And it does not have to be on lined paper. But again, reversals will not be counted as correct. For levels 6 through 7, the teacher is assessing the aligned first grade standard 1 FLWC4. For this assessment, the teacher says a word and the student writes the word. The teacher will use a list of 10 words. They will be one syllable words that include VCVE, common vowel teams, a final Y and R controlled vowels. An example word list is provided in the rubric, but it is not required. Teachers may use their own word lists as long as it follows the standard guidelines. The required method of evidence for levels 0 through 5 is a student writing product. There should also be an answer key of the letter sounds the teacher says. This may be uploaded into the context narrative or along with the student writing product. For levels 6 and 7, you will also upload a student writing product of the words they wrote. And if the teacher chose to use a word list that is not in the rubric, then they must upload an answer key for the word list they chose to use. And again, this may be in the context narrative or it may be uploaded with the student writing product. After you have assessed your students, it is time to score the student work. You will now use the rubric for scoring the student work. The student work receives a 0 if students are unable to write any of the letters for the consonant or short vowel sounds. The work will receive a score of 1 if students are able to write 1, 2, 3, or 4 letters correctly, so less than 5. The student work will receive a 2 if they are able to score or if they are able to write 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9 letters correctly. So at least 5 letters correctly to match the consonant and short vowel sounds. The student work will score a level 3 if they are able to write 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, or 19 letters for consonant and short vowel sounds. So a level 3 score is if they write at least 10 letters to match the sounds of the word or the consonant and vowel sounds. The student work will score a level 4 if they are able to write at least 20 letters to match consonant and short vowel sounds. So they could write 20, 21, 22, 23, or 25 letters. For the student work to score a level 5, the student must be able to write all letters for consonant and short vowel sounds. For student work to score a level 6, the student should be able to spell 8 out of the 10 presented words. For student work to score a level 7, the student must be able to spell all 10 words correctly. If the student is able to successfully complete a level 6, then the teacher does not need to upload evidence for 0 through 5. And that goes the same for level 7. If a student is able to correctly spell all 10 words, then the teacher does not need to upload evidence for levels 0 through 6.